Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss the question and answer of Cpet Botany 2021 from question number 36 to 70. So question number 36. So during photorespiration, so oxygen is consumed in. So oxygen is consumed in chloroplast in case of a photorespiration. Question number 37. Which of the following pigment is not responsible for the light harvesting of photosynthesis? So that will be cryptochrome is not associated with the light harvesting. Question number 38. The enzyme of TCA cycle are located in the matrix of the mitochondria. That will be your mitochondrial matrix. Question number 39. Which of the following methods of chemical transfectants is not used for transfection? So that will be calcium phosphate is used, DEA is dextran is also used, cation lipids also used, but pyrophosphate is not used. Question number 40. Adelphous stamen, superior ovary, actinomorphic flower. So it's a characteristic feature of family Malvaceae. Question number 41. Which of the following group of bacteria grow like branch fungal mycelia structure? So that will be your actinomycetes. Question number 42. The sporangia in sporophyll of Selaginella. So the sporangia is a kind of heterosporous and sporophytic in case of your Selaginella. Question number 43. So the formation of middle layer of the anther wall by the secondary parietal tissues is the characteristics of, so these are the characteristics of orchids. Question number 44. Dicots have been segregated into Lignaceae and Herbaceae in the classification that will be proposed by Hutchinson. So B will be the correct one. Question number 45. Which of the following reaction step is an energy yielding step during glycolytic breakdown of glucose to pyruvate? So in the process of your 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate to 3-phosphoglycerate, so it's a kind of your energy yielding process. So option A will be the correct one. Question number 46. A sense strand with the sequence AA, TGC, GA, TGG, CT will code for the mRNA with codons. So the sense strand is a sense strand. We need to derive its antisense strand. So from the antisense strand we can derive the mRNA. So here none of the options are correct one. So it's a kind of a wrong question. So definitely you will get grace mark here. Coming to question number 47. In C3 cycle, the energy utilization for conversion of one carbon dioxide molecule to organic carbon. So you will get 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. Coming to question number 48. The type of genotypes in the offspring by selfing of parents with allelic constitution of your capital A small a, capital B small b, capital small c, capital D, small d, capital E, capital T. So first we need to calculate the type of genotypes. So for that we need to, the formula will be 3 to the power n. So n is the number of heterozygotes. How many heterozygotes will be there? So here one heterozygotes, here one heterozygotes, and here there will be 3 heterozygotes. So 3 to the power 3. So that will be 27. Option C will be the correct one. The pneumococcus experiment proved that the DNA is the genetic material. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 50. A bacterial chromosome contains 100 kilobase pair DNA and 6 restriction sites. So by the restriction, digestion and gel electrophoresis, the fragments would be equivalent to 24 kilobase pair, 22 kilobase pair, 21 kbp, 17 kbp and 11 kbp. Okay. So the answer will be 5 kbp. Question number 51. Mycoplasma differ from bacteria in not possessing your cell wall. Mycoplasma doesn't have kind of your cell wall. Question number 52. The helical symmetry of capsid is seen in, you will get helical symmetry in case of your tobacco mosaic virus. Question number 53. Which of the following statement is not correct for cycas? So for cycas, the zygote forms the free nuclear proembryo. Correct one. The endosperm contains the female gametophytic cells. So this is the correct one. The suspensor pushes the embryo deep into the endosperm. So it's the correct one. So the embryo differentiates several cotyledons. So this is not correct. But the correct answer is option D. Question number 54. Formation of winged pollen grains is the characteristic features of, you will get the winged pollen grains in case of Pinus. Question number 55. A 16 nucleated embryo sac with 3 celled egg apparatus and 11 antipodal cells. So it's a kind of your characteristic features in case of a Drusa type. Question number 56. The outermost layer of endosperm of maize grain is called eleuron. Question number 57. The study of ecological behavior of a group of species in an ecosystem is called scene ecology. If single species will be there, that will be hot ecology. Question number 58. Which of the following is a negative interactions between population? So in case of a competition, you will get the negative interactions. Question number 59. The albugo infection causes, so this will cause the white rust in crucifers. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a functional group in the myomolecule? So you will get CO, C double bond O, SH, but you won't get the C double bond C. The option D will be the correct one. Question number 61. So during the active transport in plant cell, the ions are transported across the membrane. So the ions are transported across the membrane by means of the function of the carrier protein. The rate of absorption of water is slow at a temperature near the freezing point. Why? Because of the transpiration is retarded. Question number 63. A cell was measured at 600 micrometer in diameter under microscope with 40x magnification and 10x eyepiece. 40x objective and 10x in the eyepiece. So the actual diameter of the cell was, so that will be 1.5 micrometer. Question number 64. The molar mass of the macromolecule can be determined by, so we can determine the molar mass by means of the sodium dodecyl sulfate polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. That is a kind of your protein electrophoresis. Question number 65. Which of the following statement is true about RNA? So the mRNA is largest among RNAs. This is the true. This is the correct one. Question number 66. The prerequisites for biotechnological production of transgenics doesn't include. So that doesn't include artificial production of the gene. So the requirement of the biotechnological production includes identification of target genes, isolation of your target gene, and integration of the gene to the vector. So these are the required, but you won't require the artificial production of the gene. Coming to question number 67. So nucleic acid labeling and identification can be done by the following, except Texas red. So you don't get this kind of your Texas red for the labeling and identification of the nucleic acid. Question number 68. Pribno box is the -10 box in the bacterial promoter region having the consensus sequence. So these having the consensus sequence, so that will be TA, TAAT. So option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 69. Which of the following is a gaseous biogeochemical cycle? So the gaseous biogeochemical cycle is the nitrogen cycle. So rest are the sulfur, phosphorus, these are the sedimentary cycle. Question number 70. So the transition zone between the two different communities. So the transition zone is known as ecotone. So this is all about your question number 36 to 70. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you all of you.